With over 1,000 global installations based on our Generation 6 technology, Domino is already a market leader. We now launch our revolutionary Generation 7 platform. Introducing the 1200 dpi Domino N730i, setting new standards in high-performance inkjet label printing. Our customers asked for maximum flexibility, so that's what we've provided. The press can be controlled at the press of a button. The N730i supports reel sizes of up to 1 meter across multiple label stocks. Some of the features that our customers expect and trust remain the same. And we've added in new features. And other features have been totally transformed. At the heart of the N730i is the print engine with the new Brother Bitstar printhead. Designed to deliver exceptional and consistent 1200 dpi print quality at an optimal high speed of 70 meters per minute, including white. Unique triple-layer polycrystalline micro-piezo technology minimizes crosstalk and delivers precise nozzle control for optimum drop placement accuracy and superior print results. Domino's Double Bar White has the capability to print up to 76% opacity to create the highest impact artwork and tactile textures. Our renowned iTech intelligent technology features are still present. We have enhanced cleaning through CleanCap 2 and introduced the new setter line, which sets the density across the print bar through voltage trimming and automatically aligns the print heads to ensure that consistent and exceptional quality is delivered every time. Domino formulates its own ink sets to provide a range of vibrant colors with durability and light fastness, delivering long-lasting performance across multiple sectors. The N730i is available in up to 7 colors, including orange, violet, and white, enabling up to 92% of the Pantone range to be achieved. The Domino N730i delivers a combination of the smallest drop sizes. The result is consistent ink density across the image, meaning sharper edges, smoother gradients, exceptional quality, and greater accuracy at any scale. Introducing Sunlight, a new, easy-to-use and intuitive graphical user interface that is also highly configurable. Workflow is supported by the ESCO DFE V3, which includes faster ripping than ever before. The Domino JDF-JMF viewer provides detailed press statistics. The N730i is built on a solid, industrial frame with servo-driven tension control to help eliminate registration errors. Accessibility is an integral part of the design. The Domino N730i represents an industry step change, delivering exceptional and consistent 1200 dpi resolution at high speed with unparalleled system reliability. Discover what you can do with Domino's Generation 7 technology.